Welcome back, my dear student, on my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about the question paper, and the question paper is the periodical assessment first. Okay, the session of the periodical assessment is 2021 to 22. Okay, and this is the explanation video, and this explanation for the class 8, and the subject is English. So you can see here the question paper on the mobile screen. So watch out the complete video and listen carefully. So this question paper has been divided into the two parts. Okay, uh, literature parts and the grammar parts. Okay, so we have to see first question. It means question number 1. It is take from the literature, and question number 1, write proper meaning of the below given words. Okay, write proper meaning. So you can see here is the given some of the word, that is the apocalypse, apprentice, sabotage, gesticulated, gog, autonomous, violations, and imitate. Okay, so you have to write down its meaning. Okay, its appropriate meaning of the given words. And the question number 2, tick the correct option, and you can see here is the given three option of A, B, C. And first you read the statement, and after that you have to look out all the four option, and which is the option is correct, then you tick or write the answer of the question. Okay, Venkat was named by. So you can see here the given four options: grandfather, mother, uncle, father. So you have to read it and select the one option. Okay, and then write down or a tick. Okay, now second is, Kuttan said that by the time someone realized cultural first was damaged, it would be too late to. The option is given: repair to boat, win the race, catch Keshavan, or stop the race. So you have to select one option that is the correct. Okay, now look at the statement number C. Sophia is called a humanoid because. So what is the quality of the humanoid? So you can see here the option number A, can answer many questions, can mimic human actions, or each of use in public place, or has more uses than a robot. So you have to select the correct option. Now look, here is the question number 3. Question number 3 is, write summary of the chapter battling boards in short. I think you know very well about the chapter battling board, and this chapter has been written by the Mukta Munjal. Okay, and you read out the complete chapter. Okay, first you read complete chapter, and then write very well about the what will happen in the chapters. There are two fast friends, Sukumaran and Kutan, and they include her brothers, and how they save their culture first. Okay, so you have to write down this answer of the question 3 in near about 150 words. Okay, 150 or 160 words. Okay, so next is question number 4. Answer the following question in short. So you can see here is the question: describe Jagra style of the teaching, and it is the chapter name is a finding way. Okay, how did Kuttan save the cultural first? This chapter is the taken from battling boards, and what make a driverless car safer than a car driven by a person, and list all the features that make Sophia humanoid. Both are the chapters questions taken from the chapter. I think future getting future ready. Okay, the chapter name is getting future ready. So this part will be the taken from the uh, English literature. Now you can see here the English grammar. Okay, so in this you can see here define subject and predicate with suitable example. Okay, first you write down the definition of subject and write the example of the subject, and after that write down the definition of predicate and also write its example. Okay, so you have to write it in a sequence. Okay, now question number 6, separate the subject and you can see here is the misprint, so you have to improve it. In place of for you have to write down a and d, and okay, separate the subject and predicate from this sentence. Okay, then here these sentences. Okay, so don't worry. So you can see here is a given near about 6 sentences. You have to read it all. You read the all sentences. My father is formalist. I found it in the drawer in the morning. The stay was clear. The soldiers marched forward. Would you like an ice cream? The little children book energetic. So you have to uh, separate the subject. Okay, separate the subject and predicate from the sentences. Okay, so you read out complete sentences, all the sentences, and after that make a column and write subject in the first column and predicate into the second column. That's clear. Now next is question number 7. Differentiate between interrogative and exclamatory sentence with suitable example. So you can see here is the interrogative sentence, okay, and exclamatory sentence. There are two sentences. First you know very well about the definition of the both sentences and also know the sentences of the both sentence. So you have to compare it. Differentiate means compare it both sentences. Okay, and what is the feature of the interrogative, what is the feature of the interrogative sentence, and which quality or which command we use in interrogative sentence and which statement we can use in exclamatory sentence. That's clear. So you have to compare between the interrogative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Now the option number question number 8 uh, underlines the nouns in these sentences. Write what kind of the nouns they are. So first you can see here is the given four sentences, and you read it. First you read it, and after that write what kind of the nouns. Okay, first you underline the noun. You read the sentence, I made tomato soup study. So in this sentence first you find out the noun word. Okay, first you find out the noun word, and after the find out noun word you have to write what kind of the noun this word. Okay, so you have to solve it. First you write noun words and after that kinds. Okay, and now you have to select the noun words from the sentences and write down below the noun words, and after that you have to write its kind, what kind of the nouns. Okay, you know very well about that proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun, etc. Okay, now question number 9. Okay, question number 9, how many type of gender are there in English language? Define each type with proper example. So you know very well about the definition of the gender, and you also know how many kind are type of the gender. So you have to write down all name of the gender, or all kind of the genders, and also define each type of with the proper example. So you have to also, I think there are four kind of the gender, so you have to write all the four kinds of gender by name and write definition and also write the example of the gender. Okay, that's clear. I hope you all understand. So best of luck and solve your question paper.